Hi everyone, I've got two 5x5 inch canvases here, and I'm going to do, some people call it the kiss technique. For some reason that just gives me the heebie-jeebies. I hate that term. I don't know why. I would prefer to marry them. But yeah, I don't know why I can't stand that term. It just creeps me out for some reason. So anywho, got my new thing of black gloves and they're all stuck together. So using similar colors that I have been, I am going to add this. I've got ARTEZA Pearl Turquoise, ARTEZA Yellow, ARTEZA Phthalo Blue, ARTEZA Neon Pink, and ARTEZA Rose Madder. I love my ARTEZA paints. They dry really, really, really shiny. Alrighty. And this, my white paint is actually ARTEZA as well, mixed with, well, they're all mixed with Floetrol and water. Let's see if I can get enough off one to fill the other. I think I will. Keeping the paint pretty thick on here. This Rose Madder is a really pretty color. It's a really pinky red. Yikes! That was not supposed to happen. Oh my goodness. Oh, I think there was way too much white paint. Why are these the only colors I'm seeing? Seriously? That's so weird. I'm changing this. Let's see what happens when I torch it. Alright, so I like that one. I like the pink popping up. Don't like that one. And I just ended up ruining it. Moving that one over. Let me try something. That's cool. That is really neat. So now I got two very different ones. And I like them both. I'm not torching. That's what I love so much on this one. And that is what I love so much on this one. And there they are together. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.